Hi, in this video I will talk about links or hyperlinks. Link is a reference to data that the reader can directly follow either by clicking, tapping, or hovering. To make a link, we have to write the A tag, where A stands for anchor, which is used to link from one page to another. The most important attribute of the anchor tag is the href attribute. Href stands for hyperreference, which indicates the link's destination. There are three kinds of links that I will deal in this video: external, internal, and within the same page. External links. We use external links when we want to refer website visitors useful related content. I have created a basic web page in order to display external links. So, to make an external link we put it inside we write the A tag or the anchor tag, then we write the href attribute equal double quote, and we paste the URL that we want to go. And we save the change, and we have in the browser this link. Now, this link contains the protocol and domain, and this kind of link is called absolute. This kind of URL is called absolute URL. When we write external links, we also add another attribute called target. It specifies where to open the link document. In this case, we use _blank to open in a new window the link. We save the change, and then we click, and here is the new tab with the URL that we paste. Internal link. Internal links are used to connect one part of a web page to another part of that same web page. To make an internal link, we use the anchor element, the attribute href equal double quote, and then the page with the same domain that we want to display, but with a different file. In this case, will be sample page.html. We close the angle bracket, and we save the change, and here is the link. This kind of URL that we use for internal link is called relative URL because it doesn't specify the protocol and domain. It points to a file relative to the current page. And when we click in this link, we go to we go to the another page. I will correct because this here go internal link, and when we save the change we go to the another page with the same domain. Links within the same page. Links within the same page are used in really long page. If we want to link each of the other section titles, we can click them and just go to that part of the page. I will use once again anchor element, their href attribute, but I need to tell to my browser where it has to go, So I will go to each title, each one of title, and I will put an ID attribute. That is unique to identify them. For example, in this title, I will name Inca. Here is an ID called Independence. For this title, there is an ID called Revolution. Here is Military, Transport, and so on. Now we go back to href and we are going to put the same name that we write for the ID. For example, for this item, Inca era, we are going to write the same name of the ID, starting with a hash sign, and we put the ID Inca. Then we are going to the next href equals double quote Independence. We close the angle bracket. I miss a double quote. Then for the next, I go for Liberal Revolution. I do the same. Revolution. Then and so on with military and transport. So when we save the change, we have the links, and if we click in each link, we can go to the title and the content of that article. As we can see, here is all the links, but I missed the hash sign. Now I did add a link for go to the top, and I go for the list, the unordered list. And that's all, and I hope that it has helped you and not confused you. Bye.